languages into Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, Polish, and so forth. And these are the medals I have received for scientific work. I think to me, the most important is this one, with the round cord. That is, I was appointed by King Don Juan from Spain, a member of the Royal Academy of Spain. So, and I'm a Don if I'm going.
Oh, Don, Doctor.
If I'm going to Spain. That is also very important to me. That is the San Marcos medal. San Marcos is the oldest university of the American continent. It's in Lima, Peru. And the Spaniards landed in Peru in 1533. And in 1541, the Spaniards founded the first university. Yeah. So since 1541 in existence. And I'm a professor of that university and did quite a bit. And these are then, that is the Order of Merit, International Order of Merit. That is an order of Cambridge University and is given to 500 scientists. That's it. And only if one scientist who's a member of the order dies, then this has to be returned to it. It comes back to the family, but it has to be returned because there's a number in the back, and that will be then removed, this number. And then another member is appointed, but there are only always 500 members in the world. Well, that's from Austria, from the Austrian president, the Order for Arts and Sciences, and some others. And these are medals such as the Copernicus medal, because Copernicus was a professor at the University of Krakow. And so the university gives medals to what they consider important scientists. And I introduced the subject of what I was teaching, pharmacokinetics, for the first time to Poland. As I introduced it to South America for the first time and got this one. And so I got the Copernicus medal from Poland because I brought a new science to their country. That is the medal of the Chinese Food and Drug Administration. I was invited to teach the physicians of the FDA of China pharmacokinetics. So I spent several months there teaching. Well, and that is something interesting. That is the years for the 25th anniversary when the term pharmacokinetics was coined, and the first book was written by the inventor Dost. And I heard Professor Dost giving a lecture in his first year when he promulgated his new science, and I decided that's for me. I love it. And so I switched over from pharmacology to pharmacokinetics. And then for some years later, then in Europe, they wrote the history of pharmacokinetics, and they determined the 10 most important pharmacokineticists who brought the subject into being, and I'm declared was one of the 10 fathers of pharmacokinetics.
very fascinating. What's the white? Looks like an ivory one back there.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
That is porcelain.
Oh, okay.
That is a very, very rare from Hohenstein. That's from West Germany. Okay.
It's very impressive.